So guys, this is what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So first thing first, those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, please, you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on GBP USD. Now starting with the trend right here. Let's go to our daily time frame and look at it from the overall trend, right? This is our overall movement on GBP USD, and it is very clear. GBP USD is on a ranging market move, right? So there was a time that GBP USD literally rallied up to tap this resistance level. Did give us, or they gave us a false breakout, then corrected itself and dropped back to tap our support. The market also rejected from the support, came back to tap our resistance. Market eventually got to the resistance, rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support, right? It also rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance. The market rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. Market also rejected from our support and then tried to tap our resistance, right? Now with this resistance, right, the market is rejecting and it's dropping. So we would expect market to continue to drop till it fail to tap our support level. So this is the thing that bearish move is what you should be expecting on GBP USD. Now let's do that to the 4-hour time frame. So this is it. Let's zoom it in right here. So this is your low, right? And this is the lower high. Market then was able to drop again to give us a new lower low. Here comes the lower high, right? Now market eventually drop again to give us a new lower low. This is the lower high. So with this movement, right, we will be expecting market to continue that drop to form a new lower low. So this is the drop. Market came back to test the same level again. So this can now serve as a resistance zone. So now the market has dropped a bit, right? Market has now pulled back up to test it again. So with these movements, right, we should be expecting market to drop one more time again. So guys, a bearish move is what you should be expecting on GBP USD. More update on this will be provided for you guys. So make sure you subscribe without failing to miss out on the updates.